Master yourself first. Instead of focusing on external validation or materialistic approaches to attract women, the emphasis here is on self-mastery. The idea is that true attraction comes not from looks, wealth, or charm, but from emotional strength and self-control. When you're calm, centered, and confident, you naturally draw people in without needing to chase or impress. Stoicism and attraction. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, is presented as a key to mastering yourself. This philosophy teaches that by controlling your reactions and emotions, you can navigate life with calm confidence. In the context of dating, this means being unshaken by external factors, whether it's her behavior, a situation not going as planned, or the pressures of societal expectations. A Stoic man doesn't react out of fear or desperation. He remains composed, which women find incredibly attractive. Words and actions matter, while mastering self is the foundation. Your words and actions play a crucial role in connection, complementing a woman's deeper qualities, such as her intelligence or passions, rather than just her appearance, shows you see her for who she truly is. Listening more and being present in the moment builds a connection far stronger than jokes or flashy behavior. Body language and small gestures. Your body language should communicate calm confidence. Standing tall, making purposeful movements, and maintaining comfortable eye contact are subtle yet powerful ways to show you are grounded. Additionally, small thoughtful gestures, like remembering something she's passionate about, demonstrate that you're attentive and engaged. Handling rejection and challenges with stoicism. When things don't go as planned, whether it's a bad date or her pulling away, most men panic or overcompensate. Stoic men don't chase or react emotionally. Instead, they give space, allowing the situation to unfold naturally. This detachment signals confidence and security, often making the woman reconsider and return, drawn by the man's inner strength. Be true to yourself. At the heart of all this is authenticity. Being true to yourself doesn't mean complacency. It means embracing who you are while continually growing. When you stop trying to be someone you think others want, and instead focus on becoming the best version of yourself, the right people will naturally be drawn to you. Final takeaway. The overarching message is to stop chasing and start attracting. By mastering your emotions, staying true to yourself, and maintaining calm confidence, you transform not only your relationships but your entire life. Attraction becomes effortless when it stems from inner strength rather than external performance.